In this video, I am going to show you how to upload your shorts the right way to go viral. See, there is one particular hack that you should do on your short video, and a lot of people don't even know about this thing. So in this video, I'm going to show you this very hack that you can use to make your shorts go viral. This thing will make YouTube algorithm to understand your short video and push your short video to the right audience, and by doing so, when your shorts go viral, you know that it can send traffic. Your shorts can send traffic to your long form videos. The thing is to come to your YouTube channel and click on click on your profile channel picture, then you click on settings. You click on settings and then you scroll down and you will see this video quality preference. You click on this video quality preference. Now you see video quality on mobile network. Now you see higher picture quality. You turn it on. If it is not turned on, you turn it on. Then you come down again, you see video quality on Wi-Fi. You also turn it on. You can see higher picture quality. You turn it on. Then you can now go ahead and upload your shorts. This is the short video I want to upload right now, and I will click on this video and I will long press on this video, and I will rename this video the title of that video. So I will rename the file. The title of the video is "Don't Buy Watch Hours Until You Watch This Video." So that is the title. If your video file is well optimized, YouTube will quickly send that videos to the right audience, because it will make the algorithm to understand what that video is all about, who that video is for, and it will make it to push those videos to the right audience. Now let me show you how to upload the videos the right way. So the next thing is to come to your YouTube app and click on this plus sign. You click on this plus sign, you will see video, you will see live. Then you click on so as you can see that my screen recording stopped recording. So the next thing is to click on the video that you want to upload. As you can see me do in the video, you click on the video and you click on next.
Number one reason why you should not
on next. So you click on next, click on the video, and then you click on done.
Number one reason why you should not buy.
So you click on done. So here you can add a text on screen and say something like, "You will regret this." So I will say something like, "You will regret this. You will regret it." Okay, let me just say that you will regret it. You know that when people see this thing, they will be like, "What will I regret?" And it will make them to click on this video and watch it. So then the next thing is to click on next. You click on next. Just follow me keenly and you understand what I'm doing here. So you click on next. So you see this pencil icon. You click on this pencil to select your thumbnail. So you can just pick any part that you like, that is very catchy or something. So let me just go for this one, and you click on this mark icon. So as you can see, it has been added. Then you write your title. "Don't buy watch hours until you watch this." So that's the title. Then you use hashtag shorts so that it can be discovered in short feed. You use hashtag shorts, hashtag watch hour, because this video is about watch hour, hashtag watch time, and that's okay. Then you click on this show more. Make sure that the audience is not made for kids. So then you click on this add description. You should add description to your short video. It will make the algorithm to understand who your video is for. So the video is about this video is about not how to why you should not buy watch hours and why buying watch hours can hurt your channel. So that is the description. This way the algorithm will understand this type of description and will know who this video is for. Then you click on related video. So I want to promote the long form video with this short, so I'll just click on related video and I'll pick this video. You can see this video, this is the related video, so I'll just pick this video. In that way, when people finish watching this video and they want to watch the full video, they will be able to watch the full video on my channel, and this will give me more views on my long form videos and more watch time. So another thing is that you can add it to your playlist. So I have some playlists here, so I can just add it to this playlist, this how to get 4,000 watch hour. So I have some video here. I'll just click on one of them and I can also add it to all of them, but let me just add it to this watch hour playlist. So because this video is about watch hour, so let me just add it in one of these. And then the next thing is you click on this use of AI. So if your video is AI video, you click on yes. If it is not, then you click on no. So my video is not AI, and I click on no. Then this one is hashtag tag. So here you just use tag like how to get 4,000 watch hours. So then you use comma, because if you don't use comma it will not enter. So you put comma like this, you can see that it has entered. So let me just write another thing, 4,000 watch time. These are the keywords. These are the keywords that you should use in your video that will make YouTube algorithm to push your video to the right people. So 4,000 watch time, you click on comma, you can see that it has entered. How to get more watch hour, how to get more watch time. These are the keywords that you should use. Can you see that? So I think that one is okay. And then you click on this, so you can see that all the things that we are supposed to do. So this is visibility. That's if you want your video to go live right now, you can choose public. If you want to schedule it, you can schedule it to the time that you know that your audience are online. So for me, I will just post it right now because some people are still online right now. So I will just post it right now, and that is how to upload your video to go viral. It is very important that you optimize your video file so that the algorithm will understand faster what your video is all about and who your video is for, and push it to the right audience. So I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you find this video helpful, I will encourage you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also I will encourage you to watch the video on your screen. In that video I share tips on how to upload your videos, things that you should do after uploading your videos on YouTube to get more views on your videos. So I will encourage you to watch that video so you can know the things that you should be doing, and you can be getting more views on your video. I wish you success as I wish myself success on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.